channel. I hope everyone's doing well today. I'm doing great, and I'm back with another video for you guys. And I did just buy another bag, and guys, I haven't bought a bag in so long. It's been a while for me, so it felt really good to buy myself a bag again. But we're gonna get into all the details about my new bag, and it is from Gucci, and I've had it for a few days now, so I definitely want to go ahead and show it to you guys. This video is in partnership with Dossier. So on top of my new bag, I've also gotten a new fragrance from Dossier. I definitely want to go ahead and share it with you guys. And you guys know I love Dossier. They have really good luxury inspired perfumes, and I definitely want to show you guys the latest fragrance that I got. The latest fragrance that I got from them is Aquatic Peony, and it smells really, really good. And you get a really, really nice size perfume right there. The way it works, you would just spray it on you. I suggest wearing it throughout the day and really getting a feel for it before you just, spray it and maybe decide that you don't want it. See how long it lasts, get a really good feel for it to see if you actually really do like it or not like it. Then if you don't like it, all you have to do is send it back. They're going to provide you with the shipping label, no charge to send it back, and you'll get your money back hassle free. I will include a link to Dossier in the description bar for you. Definitely go ahead and check them out if you're interested. I've already been wearing this bag. I've worn it every day since I got it. And you guys should not be surprised because you guys know that I love Gucci Marmot bags. And I did a lot of research on this bag before I bought it. So here is my new bag. This is the Gucci Marmot Small. The way they describe the color for this bag is the original GG canvas in black. And now they even have it to where you can add your initials on here. That was, that's not something I've seen before, but you can add your initials. Of course, I did not add my initials because, of course, if you want to return the bag, you would not be able to do that if you had your initials on the bag, okay? A really, really beautiful bag, and this bag right here can pretty much go with anything. Saw quite a few pictures of people on Instagram wearing it with burgundy. Somebody had it on with gray. Someone had it on with peach. So you can really wear this bag with a lot of different things. And I've done so many videos on Marmots before that I'm not going to get into like what it fits and everything because all of that's going to pretty much be redundant. The inside of this bag is pretty much the same color as any other Marmot bag. So that's not different. There's nothing really different besides the design of this bag. You have your gold detail right here. And I really like it because this bag right here, although it can be worn with anything, it's kind of like a neutral bag. It still stands out and, provides you with just some detail, and I really like that about the bag. I don't have any complaints about it. Now, if you're interested in what fits inside of a Marmot bag, I will link another one of my mini Marmot videos for you where I went into more detail. I'll also leave a link to this bag in the description bar. I have seen this bag on FashionPhile, and it was kind of still around the same price, so I just felt like it made sense to get the bag brand new. I'll definitely include a few links for you guys if you're interested. You guys already know if you have any questions or any comments, you can leave those below. And as usual, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.